Hi there! Celebrate her special day with this unique birthday gift set designed just for women who have everything. Inside, she'll find a 12-ounce bottle with a straw and cleaning brush, a happy birthday candle, a rose-scented bath ball, a makeup mirror, handmade soap, and 2 beautiful cards including a 3D pop-up design. Every item is thoughtfully chosen to create a relaxing and joyful experience, perfect for moms, sisters, girlfriends, or coworkers. This gift encourages her to unwind with a fragrant bath and cozy drink, reminding her to enjoy life's happy moments. The elegant packaging adds a special touch that's sure to surprise and delight her. Give a heartfelt gift that shows how much you care and makes her feel truly loved. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.